Greetings, Wizarding Wands and Mickey Ears friends. This is Jennifer with another guide to help you as you plan your next trip. As you are probably aware, Disney World reopened last summer with limited maximum capacity in the parks. Because of this, all guests ages 3 and up are required to have a Park Pass reservation in order to enter a Disney World park. Park hopping is now available after 2 p.m. for guests who have Park Hopper tickets. Guests must make a Park Pass reservation for their first park of the day. After they have entered their first park, they can hop to another park after 2 p.m. provided there is still capacity left in that park. You do not need a Park Hopper ticket if you plan to leave for a while and then return to the same park that day. Park Pass capacity is split between Disney World Resort guests, daily ticket holders who are not staying at a Disney World Resort, and annual pass holders who are not staying at a Disney World Resort. You'll want to be sure to check the availability calendar prior to purchasing tickets or booking your stay. A link to the calendar is in the notes section of this video. To make a Park Pass reservation, guests must have a My Disney Experience account and have tickets linked for each member of their party. At this time, Park Pass reservations can only be made on a web browser versus the My Disney Experience app, though there is a link on the app that I will show you that brings you to the browser window. This video shows what the process looks like on a mobile browser. It looks very similar on a computer, with the main difference being that the navigation on the computer web browser is along the top instead of the left side shown in this video. To get started, log into your My Disney Experience account. If you know that everything is linked properly, you can select the Disney's Park Pass system from the navigation dropdown. I like to start on the My Plans page. If you purchased your tickets as part of a package, they will automatically be linked when you link your package reservation. If you purchase standalone tickets, you will need to link your tickets to your account before making reservations. When you are ready to make your Park Pass reservations, select Make a Reservation. You'll need to select each person in your party who you'll be making reservations with, and then select Continue. Then, you'll need to select your park date. There is a link that will show you the currently posted park hours if available, but you'll want to keep in mind that park hours are always subject to change. From there, select your desired park. You must agree to the terms and conditions as well as the COVID-19 liability waiver before confirming your selection. After your selection is confirmed, you can make another Park Pass reservation or view your My Plans page. Disney World has additional up-to-date information to help you prepare for your trip on the Know Before You Go website that is linked in the notes for this video. Be sure to continue to review that site as expectations and experiences may change at any time. If you'd like to change your selection, you must first cancel the reservation that you made and then start over to select your new park. Again, before making changes, be sure to check the availability calendar for your ticket access type. If you prefer, you can find a link to make Park Pass reservations on the My Disney Experience app. Select the plus symbol at the bottom of the page and then select Make a Park Reservation. This will automatically pull up the primary web browser on your mobile device where you will need to log in. From there, it'll bring you directly to the page where you select your party to move forward. Then, you'll complete the same steps as shown previously. I hope that this video has made your Disney World planning easier. And as always, please reach out to us at Wizarding Wands and Mickey Ears for help booking and planning your next Disney or Universal adventure.
Let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. New videos every Friday, so click the bell icon to have an alert sent to you so you don't miss out. If you or someone you know would like help planning a Universal or Disney vacation, please contact us at the email on your screen.